It's time to relax. Make sure that you are laying down flat with your arms and legs uncrossed, making sure you have enough support on your lower back, and just focus on breathing. Taking a deep breath in through the nostril, noticing how the air feels cool as it goes in, and exhale out slowly through the mouth without forcing. And notice how it feels warm as it comes out. And just start to focus on the breath going in through the nostrils and exhaling out, allowing your body to relax with every exhalation. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Let it go. Let it all go. And as you take a new breath in, I'd like for you to tighten the muscles of your feet and toes and hold it. Hold your breath and hold that tension in the toes and the feet. Feel the tension. Those feet that walk every single day, serving your purpose on this earth. Sometimes we forget about our beautiful feet that support us daily. Exhale and release. Allow that blood flow to rush into the feet and the toes, and allow your breath to continue going in and out at your own pace. Now take another deep breath in and tighten the muscles of your legs and buttocks and hold it. Hold the tension and hold the breath. Those legs that move around and find the way, hold that tension and feel it. Exhale and release. Let it go. Allow the blood flow and the new air and oxygen to fill all the cells of your lower body, filling them with health and joy. And just continue to breathe at your own pace, noticing how that blood flow rushes through the legs and the feet and the toes, allowing for new beginnings, new life, and health. Now take another deep breath in and tighten the muscles of your stomach and hold it. The stomach and the torso that hold so many important organs. And sometimes, without the breath, those organs cannot function. Hold that tension and hold the breath. Exhale and release. Let it go. Feel that blood flow rush toward your torso, your organs, and have them rejoice with this new life and new attention. Now take another deep breath in and tighten the muscles of your back and shoulders and hold it. The back and the shoulders, they hold so much tension. They react to every thought that we have. Feel the tension building on your shoulders and back. And release. Let it go. Allow your body to seep deeper into that bed or that couch. Allow your back and your shoulders to relax and to rejoice because they're now releasing all that tension. Continue breathing at your own pace, just noticing how your body is starting to relax deeper and deeper, sinking deeper into the bed or the couch or the floor. Now take another deep breath in and tighten the muscles of your neck and face and hold it. The face that shows to the world. It has to show a good angle, yet it carries so much tension. Feel the tension and hold the breath. The neck that literally supports the head. and is the intermediary between the brain and the body. Hold the tension, feel it. Exhale and release. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Relax the tension on your forehead and your cheeks. Relax that jaw, let it drop. Feel how your neck feels so relaxed. Sinking deeper and deeper into relaxation. Beautiful. Let it go. Take another deep breath in, expanding the stomach, and hold it. Tighten the tension of your hands and arms. Hold the tension and hold the breath. Those hands that give so much and allow us to feel the world. The arms that help us maneuver through the world. Hold the tension. Release and exhale. Let it go. And now I'd like you to scan the whole body for any tension that is remaining. And if you feel any tension, breathe into it with the intention of releasing whatever tension is remaining. Fill it with air and oxygen. And release anything that does not belong to your body anymore. Continue to scan that body for any tension that's remaining and breathe into it with love and compassion, letting know that there's nothing left but to have hope and peace, and anything and everything that does not belong to your present moment or to the future is being released with every exhalation. Let it go. Continue to breathe in and breathe out. With every breath you take, you're inhaling love, compassion, health. And with every exhalation, you release in everything that does not belong to you. Everything that it is not health or love. Release. Allow your shoulders to drop further. Allow your jaw to open, your mouth to open. And just breathe. If your attention veers somewhere else, bring it back to this present moment and your breath. Breathing in and breathing out. You got it. This moment of self-love and compassion is healing you. It's healing your body. Beautiful. And now, in this moment of relaxation, I would like for you to take a moment to focus on the mind's eye with your eyes closed. And envision you being in a beautiful, beautiful, safe place. A place where you can be yourself without judgment. A place where there's all that is necessary to love yourself and to heal yourself. Look at the safe place and get acquainted with it. How does it feel? What temperature is it? What's under your feet? Wiggle your feet in this safe place, knowing that you created it with your beautiful imagination. And it is a safe place where you can go and be fully open and free. While you're here, I want you to turn around and look what's behind you. Notice colors, scents, vibration. What's to your left? What's to your right? what is above you. And again, let's focus on what is the ground that's supporting you. What does it feel like on your feet? Beautiful. Take notice of how you act in this beautiful, safe place. How do you feel? Beautiful. Rejoice. Allow your body to feel everything through your senses. The sense of safety. Through what you see, through what you feel, through what you breathe in this beautiful, safe place. Through what you touch. It's all there for a purpose, and the purpose is to heal you. Beautiful. Stay there. Get acquainted with it. A place for your judgment and fear and illness. A place filled with health and love and compassion. And it is yours. You can visit it anytime you want. Anytime you need to nurture yourself and your body. And continue to get acquainted with it and how it feels to be there, how you feel being there. Take a picture in your mind and in your heart of what this place feels like. And know that it is available for you when you need it. Now take a deep breath in, expanding your stomach and your diaphragm. And exhale out, letting go, letting go, letting go. Take another deep breath in and start to wiggle your toes and your fingers, coming back to the present moment. Take another deep breath in and open your eyes and look around. Notice the relaxation within your body. Beautiful. You have just completed a deep muscle healing meditation. And know that you are healthier now than you were before. Namaste.